Hello everyone. Today we are going to make this cute crochet mesh bow. It's an easy and beginner friendly project that can be used for hair clips, headbands, gift decorations and more. For this tutorial, I am using DK cotton yarn and a 3 mm crochet hook. Let's begin. Start with a slip knot and chain 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now work a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Now chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now skip 2 chains and do a single crochet into the next chain. Third chain. Yes, again chain 4, skip 2 and do a single crochet into the next. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4, skip 2 chains and do a single crochet. Again chain 4, skip 2 and do a single crochet into the last chain. So this is our first row. For the next row, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and turn your work and work a single crochet into the chain space, first chain space. Then chain 4, single crochet into the next chain space and repeat this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, single crochet into the next chain space, again chain 4 and single crochet into the last chain space. Second row is done. For the next row, chain 5 and turn your work. So repeat this pattern across the row. Continue repeating these rows until you have a total of 22 rows. Once completed, it should look like this. Now using yarn needle, join both the ends together like this. Sew neatly, then weave in the ends and fasten off. Now make another piece using the same pattern but work only 14 rows this time. Once both pieces are ready, let's make the center band. Make a slip knot and chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Work a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. And continue with one single crochet in each chain across. You should have 6 single crochets in total. Now chain 1, turn your work and work 6 single crochet across each row. Repeat this until you have 12 rows. Now wrap the centerpiece around the mesh and sew it securely at the back. Hide any remaining yarn ends and fasten off. And that's it. Your beautiful crochet mesh bow is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also, let me know in the comments which crochet tutorial you would like to see next. Thanks for watching. Happy crocheting.